Hey Vapor family, um, I'm going to show you this Anvil. The Anvil is like really a good vaporizer. And the top comes with um, another chamber that's a little tiny bit smaller for microdosing. Um, I'm really in love with this thing, and I'd like to show you why. Uh, let's just get a little meds in there. It's I had my doubts. So there's my unit, and the top piece is the herb chamber. So I'm going to go ahead and fill her up. I'm not going to pack it too tight. I'm just going to go ahead and fill it level. Okay. And slip it in there. The click is very distinct. This you can audibly hear from anywhere in the room as it goes clink. And it does take a few seconds. There you go. And so now I've got a heated unit. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Not bad. Okay, now I've waited a sufficient amount of time. Let's see if it still retained any heat. I love this thing.